No, don't go back in there. Cat, get it! Freaking A!
See, she just like watches it. Where are you?
It's right over on this side. I'm gonna drop, it's gonna, freaking, if I drop the couch, it's gonna go on it.
Here, actually, just get the broom and open the door. Try to just broom it out of the freaking house.
Okay.
It came in the wrong direction.
Why are you so... Cat, freaking do your job. Hold on, she sees it right there, heaven's sakes.
Cat, the broom?
Cat, are you kidding me? It's right down your backpack.
Cat, you suck. 1, 2, 3. Cat, you suck at your job.
Move that.
Give me the broom. Watch out, Holly. I'm gonna smoke it.
Okay, do it then.
Cat, this new mouse feels safe around you.
Seriously.
Get in.
You like airborned it. Oh, it's not hockey. This is broom hockey. It's horrible. Kellen, what's your problem? Oh my freaking gosh.
Holly, he's coming. Get out of there.
Just, okay, slam it. That is a fat little...
Cat, get the cat. Come on.
Oh, things are gonna get broken.
Okay, cat.
Oh, shoot, Kellen. Okay.
Wrong.
Come here. You need to do your job. Heaven's sakes, the whole reason we have you.
Cat, you freaking retarded.
Kellen.
Too big for you, huh, Cat?
Get it in that box. She goes, you guys are ruining
Where's
it.
the box?
It's not very fun anymore.